In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Zoho Mail. This is an important task to ensure that your emails are correctly identified when they arrive in someone else's inbox. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through the steps to help you update your details quickly and easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website by typing in the URL mail.zoho.com. Once you're on the page, enter your login credentials to access your email account. If you haven't used Zoho in a while, it might be a good idea to ensure your login details are handy. You'll want to make sure everything is prepared beforehand to speed up the process. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon represents your settings menu and holds the key to customizing many elements of your Zoho Mail account. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Mail Settings and give it a click. This section is where you'll find various settings that control how your emails are sent and received. Now, let's focus on modifying the name that appears when you send an email. Under the section labeled Send Mail As, you'll see your current email address displayed. Click on this email address to proceed with the name change. It's important to note here that changing the name won't affect your email address itself or any associated accounts, just the name displayed to recipients. Next, you'll find a field labeled Name. This field contains the current name that's shown when you send an email. If, for instance, the field is showing Zoho User and you want to personalize it with your actual name, such as Jane Doe, you can do so here. Simply click in the field and edit the text to your preferred display name. Once you've made your desired changes to the name, find the Update button, which typically resides near this section. Click on it to save your new display name. This action confirms your changes and ensures that your name will be correctly reflected in future communications. And there you have it. With these few steps, you've customized your email display name in Zoho Mail, helping ensure that your emails are professionally presented with your personal or business identifier to your recipients. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.